और सीधे ले चलते हैं आपको विज्ञान भवन ज्ञान संगम में, जहां पर फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी जो है अपना संबोधन दे रहे हैं।
From the field level officers, what is it that they expect us to help them with? So that was the third purpose of this conference. I'm glad to say that all these three points have been very satisfactorily met with. We are very satisfied with the outcome of the conference vis-a-vis these three objectives. All the three objectives have been fulfilled. Yesterday, starting from PM, who made his expectation very, very clear to people. And then Finance Minister also spent about 1 hour in each of the separate session of CBDT and CBEC after the inaugural session. So he also spent a lot of time interacting with the officers and also giving his own expectations and his advice. And after that, of course, we had a lot of technical sessions. There were various subjects which were covered, taxpayer satisfaction, the technology interventions, the legal changes, the IDS scheme, income declaration scheme. All these subjects were covered. Separate sessions were there for CBDT and CBEC. And in every session there was a technical paper, status paper, which was circulated in advance, so people had read them. There was a small presentation on the status paper, followed by interactions, and then some outcomes and decisions. So that's the format in which the entire conference was there. We had a sort of a one session by Chetan Bhagat also. He talked about 10 simple practical tips for taxing with love, and those 10 points were very well received. And today morning CBEC session had a panel discussion also. Some outside experts were there. They also gave us a very good idea of how we can change our customer perception by doing what simple things we can change our customer perception, and also by whatever effort, they said unless we walk the talk, the customer perception will not change. So that kind of a very clear message was given by private sector experts also, so which we received very well. Now I would stop at this. I'll request my two colleagues to talk specifically about the outcomes in their particular board, in the discussions in their particular board. What has been the major outcome, and that I would request both of them. Atlesh?
As Revenue Secretary has mentioned, the main objective of this conference was, throughout the year we keep on issuing various instructions, circulars, policy level. Policy making is also being done at the level of the board. So in order to ensure that there is no gap, communication gap between the field authorities and the board, this kind of conference is very necessary. We take stock of the various difficulties which are being experienced at the field level, and especially in the area of e-initiatives, which several e-initiatives which have been taken at the level of the board. The implementation part is to be done at. So in that respect, it is very necessary that we ascertain the difficulties which are being experienced, what are the infrastructural problems, or if there are any other problems which are being experienced. So in that respect, certain major decisions were taken during this conference. As you are aware that two schemes have recently been launched by the department. These are income disclosure scheme and also the income dispute resolution scheme. So we discussed the strategy for publicizing these schemes, a very detailed action plan for launching publicity at local levels, especially in the form of holding these town hall meetings and various other meetings was discussed during the conference. Also a website was launched which will help in monitoring on weekly basis the efforts which are being made at the level of each principal CIT all over the country in publicizing these schemes. So this will be monitored at various levels, and along with that we have also launched, as you know, this paperless scheme, that scheme of assessment through email communication, under which an assessee does not have to actually approach the income tax offices. Last year, this scheme was launched on pilot basis at 5 stations.
आप देख रहे थे ज्ञान संगम समापन समारोह का सीधा प्रसारण और बुलेटिन